But here's another question from Quora. Why are trademarks important for a company? My name is Andrei Mincov. I'm the founder of Trademark Factory, and this is my answer to this question. Trademarks are important for a company because, especially in competitive markets, the brand is what people remember about the company, about the company's products, about the company's services. It's what people buy. It's your products and services will change, but the brands will stay the same. The brands will hold value. The example, I mean, there's so many of them, but one of the examples is Nike, right? The whole company, everything, their factories, their sneakers, their shirts, their entire valuation of the whole business is $91 billion. And the value of just the brand itself, brand alone, with nothing tangible around it, is $47 billion. It's more than half. The value of Apple brand, just the brand itself, is over $300 billion, right? So why is it important for a company? Well, because it's usually its most valuable asset. There's nothing more valuable for a company that becomes successful. That's why. That's why. Because if you don't have a brand, then nobody can remember you, nobody can recognize you. And how do you build a successful business without people knowing that you exist? It's impossible, right? So you need to have a lot of people who know that you exist, to know your products and services, and they're going to know you by the brand. And the only way to protect the brand is through trademarks, through registering that brand as a trademark. Nothing else works. Incorporations don't work, copyrights don't work, placing TM doesn't work, buying a domain name doesn't work, nothing works. The only way to protect your brand is through registering it as a trademark. That's why trademarks were invented, and that's why they're so important for any company that hopes to become successful. Now, I hope this answers your question, and if it does, great. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We post videos like this every single day. And if you got a question for me, because that's how this series of videos works. If you've got a question for me that I haven't answered before, make sure you post a comment below, and I'll do my best to answer your question in a video just like this one. And until then, I will see you in the next video.